Okay, grow lights unboxing video. Dun, 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 dun. All right, got this from Amazon. It's a 3-head grow lights. Let's see. There's no label on the inner box. Oh well, there it is. LED grow light for plant growing. Let's see what's inside. Is a 3-head lights. 1, 2, 3, and this is removable. This is easier for installation. And we have this controller, on and off. You can adjust the timer, and you can adjust which lights is on and which lights is off. And here you can adjust the intensity. Well, it's pretty good. Well, extra bonus, I get this small planning tool. This is perfect because my previous one was just broken and I'm looking to get a new one, and here it is. Very good. There's the service card and a user menu. I guess it's the standard C. LED plant light, auto on and off. 2-way timer, 5 dimmable brightness levels, independent control of lights, safe for indoor use. Okay, it's the pretty standard grow light menu. Okay, that's it.